This little guy just carried his brother all the way over.
There's sharks in the water.
Look at that vulture. Hey guys, we're gonna sneak up on Aiden, Eli, and Samuel. They're somewhere in a lava pool. We're gonna go get them. Are you ready? Cause I'm ready. Let's go. You ready, buddy? Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up, buddy? What's this? You okay? That was awkward. No, just playing. Let's go. What does mom need?
Coffee. A nice latte.
Ice latte, caramel macchiato. Water. Not sharks in the water. Zakai's in the water.
There's sharks in the water.
There's sharks in the water.
Sharks in the water.
All right, guys. Beach day or pool day, whatever you call it. Real quick, he's gonna try to swim. Let's check it out. Are you ready, buddy? 3, 2, 1, go. That kid made it halfway, then he came back up, and then he went back under, and he made it another full stint of the race. He made it all the way through. Let's go. Aiden, Eli, you race. Okay, go. Whoa. Wow.
Okay, I gotta go back.
Go. Go. You okay? You're okay. You okay? Hey, buddy.
I won the
Okay, every now and then I have to walk back over here and check on our youngest one. Y'all probably saying these people, they're getting kids from every direction. They got 4 kids over there near the water, and they have a whole nother one right here. And he's hanging out. What are you doing, buddy? Are you crying or are you smiling, honey? Huh, honey? Let me wipe your eye. Let me wipe your eye. Daddy loves you.
I need a break and then I'm going to pool.
Okay, y'all take a break. Daddy's gonna take a dip, and then I'm gonna try to get your mom some coffee later today with me on a date night. Date night, she don't know what's coming. This little guy, he wants to learn how to swim at a very young age. Get him comfortable with the water. Get him comfortable with the water. Oh yeah. 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 Whoa. Yeah.
I'll do again.
You gonna do it again? Sam! Fun pool day this Saturday on our Sabbath day. On our adventures, just simply stand at home. But check this out. Zakai does not need this floaty. Why? Because his pamper is a floaty. Look how thick that floaty is. Let's do a fake jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Aiden did it. He did it. Good job, buddy. Say what's up to the camera. Tell him, hey, Aiden has a message for you today. You're a young kid out there and you're struggling with fear and doubt about if you should jump in the pool or not. Aiden, do not be
discouraged or
afraid
or discouraged.
For the Lord your God is with us. Where?
Wherever you go.
Wherever you go. Woo! All right, just let's take a quick water break. No. Woo, damn. Eli is about to jump on my back, but I'm just trying to watch Zakai. That's the big one right here. But Eli, ready? 3. Jump on my back. 2, 1. Look at that vulture. 2. Whoa, he is a big bird. Got our whole family looking. He's gone now. Guys, that was like the biggest black vulture. That was crazy. The time is now. Eli did it, yo. Eli's in the game. Why are you so scared of water, little guy? Why are you so scared of water? That was crazy. Play a game.
Play game with Aiden.
Y'all gotta watch it. Turn it around. All right, guys, the objective of this game is that when I'm over here, my goal is to get out the pool or run over to the other side in the water before Aiden gets there so I can get out the pool. So, you're not supposed to run out of the pool, but in this case, the ground is pretty dry and Aiden, you're gonna be careful. But we're gonna try to make this happen, y'all. You ready? Let's go. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right, never mind. Come on. We're gonna come back and play.